The reason I applied for the Master of Advanced Studies in Digital Dental Technologies was to take advantage of the current technologies that we have and introduce them in our daily practice. We have the technologies, we just have to know how to integrate them into the daily workload. Hello, my name is Human Avin. I'm an orthodontist specialist. I work and live in Oslo, Norway. The key learning so far has been to get the multidisciplinary approach, not only orthodontics, not only prosthodontics, and so on, but to take the whole treatment as a whole. We have been introducing these changes weekly, monthly. Changes are difficult, but they do come, and participating in this 2-year program definitely helps you to put those new learnings into practice. Having the weekly meetings helps you to update yourself and correct your mistakes if there is anything, and or share your experiences with other colleagues that are participating in the same program. My experience has been amazing here. The teachers, the tutors, the staff, everybody's very helpful, very friendly, and I would definitely recommend this program to any dentist who wants to elevate his or her practice. How would I describe my experience in 3 words? If I wanted to say that, I would say precision, predictability, and personalization. Precision, how to create the right treatment plan, to give the right treatment, predictability, to avoid the mistakes, get to the outcome that you want, and personalization, tailoring the treatment that you want for every single individual, as treatments are meant to be personalized.